Hello everyone. Previously, we went through the concurrency, right? Today, we'll continue with the lambda expressions. Basically, what are lambda expressions? Lambda expressions provide concise syntax for defining anonymous methods, enhancing code readability, as well as functional programming capabilities. So, we'll see this with a very simple example, right? So, what I'll do, I'll just come here. Let me right click, hover on new and create the new Java class. Let's wait for some time. I'll just give the name Lambda exam. Okay, let me hit the enter. So yeah, what we have done here, we have defined a public class name Lambda example, right? Next, as usual, we'll be defining the main method, right? Let me give, why this is hanging so much. Let's wait for some time. Let me continue. There. So after defining the main method, what I'll do, let's create an array list to hold the string objects. I'll just give array list, right? Here, I'll just mention string. Let me give the name string list, right? Here, we give a new array list, right? Just give me a second. So this is lagging so much. I don't know why. What we have done here, we have created an array list to hold the string objects. Now let's add some random fruits to the string list, right? So what I'll do, I'll just come here. Let me give stringlet dot add of within the string. Let me give apple. Let's add some more fruits, right? Just give me a second. I'll just paste the same thing twice. Here, instead of apple, I'll just change this one to banana. Here, I'll just change this one to cherry, right? So what we have done, we have added the apple, banana and cherry to the string list. Next, what I'll do, here you can see one more thing. We have imported the array list class from the Java util package as well. To make use of the array list, we have to import the array list from the Java util package. And now let's use the lambda expression to print each element in the string list. So I'll just comment here so that it is easy to understand. Just for the reference, right? I'll just use the lambda expression to print each element in the string list, right? What I'll do, just give string list. I'll just make use of for each. Within the for each, let me consider str. Then I'll just make use of sout and let's print the str, right? So did I miss anything? No, right? So this looks good. Let me run the code. Let's wait for some time. So yeah, you can see here, one by one, right? The name of the fruits. Initially, you are saying apple, the first one, banana, the second one, and the cherry, the third one, right? This is working completely correct. Next, let's go with the streams. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.